Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Monopoly Go reward codes. First, navigate to the Safari or browser app on your phone. After that, search for Monopoly Go reward codes in the search bar. Then scroll down and you'll see different websites to get rewards. You can select any of websites as the second one shown here. Next, scroll down and it'll show the box to claim your reward here. Before that, log in or sign up for your Monopoly Go account. Here, you can sign with Facebook or download the Monopoly Go app. It'll get downloaded on the App Store or Google Play. Now, go to the other tab and search for Boss coupons in the given search bar. Then, reach the first website and scroll down. Next, you'll see different codes and search for Monopoly Go codes. If one website isn't showing the Monopoly Go codes, you can go to other website and search for it. Here, it'll show the cash codes and dice codes. After that, type on the dice code and unlock the code to get the code. To unlock the code, go to the Unlock or Boss website. You've installed at least 2 of these apps to unlock the codes. In the end, copy the code and paste it into the given area. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.